How to report a problem on Facebook. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, go to the Help and Support section. Tap on Report a Problem. Scroll down and tap on Continue to Report. Here, tap on Include. Once you're here, go to the text box and type in your problem. You can also take a screenshot, screen record or upload photo from phone using the options below if you want. After you're done, tap on Send at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily report a problem on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.